Hey there, everyone. Before we dive in, let me ask you a couple of questions. What's one idea you've been wanting to share with the world? If you could turn your passion into a source of income, what would that look like? Take a moment to drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Now, as 2024 winds down, I want to take a moment to reflect and say thank you to my subscribers, my viewers, you. This journey would not be possible without your support. Your likes, your shares, your comments, and your engagement have meant the world to me. Every time you hit that like button or shared your thoughts in the comments, you've helped make this community what it is today. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. As we look ahead, I want to remind you of something important. The Speakers Creator Hub is here for you. This is a space designed to help you create YouTube videos that don't just entertain, but also empower. Whether you're brainstorming your first video or trying to unlock passive income potential, this hub is your resource, your guide, your community. Now, let me be real with you for a second. I don't have the paid version of some fancy tools, but you know what? That doesn't matter. What matters is the time, the thought, and the sincerity that goes into every piece of content I create. We all work within the budgets we have, and that's okay. Just because it's not exactly what we want doesn't mean we can't give our absolute best to this community. It's not about perfection, it's about heart, consistency, and showing up for you, my amazing audience. So, to every creator out there watching this, don't let what you don't have stop you from sharing your ideas, your passion, and your voice. You've got everything you need right now to start making an impact. Here's what I'd love from you. Share your ideas in the comments. What's holding you back, and what do you want to achieve? Hit that like button if you've ever felt the urge to create something meaningful. And if you haven't already, subscribe to join this growing community of dreamers and doers. Together, we're going to make 2025 a year of growth, opportunity, and creative breakthroughs. Thank you for walking this journey with me. Here's to all of us, creators, dreamers, and doers, building something incredible one step at a time. Stay inspired, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.